Hi, my name is Becky Joy, and I am a postpartum corrective exercise specialist, especially for moms with diastasis recti. So, when I help my clients, I also notice that they tend to have pretty bad posture after pregnancy. They will have that anterior pelvic tilt, they tend to hunch forward, and then they will tend to have forward head. So, I notice once I start helping them with their posture, their deep core muscles is firing, their diastasis start healing faster, and they also look better. So that's why I attended Dr. Krista posture virtual workshop to enhance my skills in posture and how I can better benefit my clients and my program, so to get them better results. And inside the workshop, Dr. Krista's energy was amazing, and I really love that I especially love the ones that she demonstrate all her exercises with her colleague in front of us inside the workshop, and then we would actually use that skill to right away. We can practice it on, I did on my husband and on my kids, and that was so awesome. So that's why it ingrained in me, and I can remember and I know how to do it. So right afterwards I can actually implement it into my program and helping my clients. So I really love that we were able to do it right after, like during the workshop with her together, and then she's able to demonstrate it live with her colleagues. So that was really cool. So I would highly recommend for anyone who wants to benefit their clients, who wants to help the clients to look to with their posture. And I think anybody nowadays with technology, with cell phone, anybody can benefit with posture. And I think posture will help, especially in my niche. Moms, they don't have that much confidence, especially when they have that distending stomach. And just posture itself, if I don't do anything, if I only focus on posture, they will look so much better already. And I know that 100% the skill will transfer to them and benefit my clients in the long run. And I know that you can do for your clients too. So thank you again, Dr. Krista, and I'll talk to you soon.